Good morning, everybody, and I'm in an open collab. I'm a little late getting this video done because I had a very, very busy day yesterday. Things took me away, so anywho, let's get going. I'd love for you to join in. This is Plan With Me Monday. Plan whatever you want. I'm the host, Brenda. Everything is right here. Put that link in the description box. You can make a meal plan, you can make a vacation plan, anything you would like. That's right. Maybe your schedule, your work schedule, or your garden schedule. You know, you never know. So let me show you what I have for this week. Increase my activity. It's about time, don't you think? It's very early here this morning, so I wanted to get this out before I hit the road. Okay, I'll read it to you. It's oven grinders on Monday, Tuesday taco, Wednesday lasagna, Thursday steak, mashed potatoes and salad, fish fries and coleslaw. There. Now I'll show you, and I'll read it again. Okay, here we have oven grinders, tacos. Here we've got lasagna, salad, and brownies. Here we have steak, mashed potatoes, salad, and leftovers. And here is fish fries and coleslaw. Now, yesterday I did laundry, pantry, and I made I meant to take a picture of that pie. I made a wonderful looking pie for Mr. R. It was a strawberry rhubarb pie, and he's taking it to his co-workers. Today is dad, food, shopping, errands, and mom. Tomorrow is hair, laundry, wash doors, and doorknobs. Oh, and Miss Maggie gets groomed today, too. She's not going to like that because she's gone away from Mama. Whenever she's away from me, she has a fit. Thursday, going to clean the fridge, clean the oven, wash all floors. And Friday is laundry, vacuum the stairs going down to the basement. Saturday is a barbecue, ride, work, garden, mow grass and fields. If I can mow, if I get released mowing. Because Thursday I have a doctor's appointment as well. And Sunday, everybody's on their own. I'll be taking care of my son's dog. And don't know because my granddaughter's coming, whoop, she comes in Saturday around midnight, and they're going from the airport to a friend's place to stay for 2 days on the ocean. So that's what I have for you for Plan Monday. I would love for you to join in. Hey, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And we'll see you later today for Tea Tuesday. Bye now.